Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix flashlight is not working on iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. If your iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max flashlight is not working, keep watching the video until the end. Number one is restart your iPhone. Your problem is fixed. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is complete rebooted or restart, your problem is fixed. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check iOS update. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. If update is pending or available, simply update your iOS device and fix your problem. If you are using beta version, simply downgrade or upgrade your iPhone with stable iOS official version and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is reset all settings. Tap on settings app. Tap on settings. Tap on general. Little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings to confirm this action and wait 10 to 20 seconds. When your iPhone setting is complete restored, your problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone and flashlight is not working or not fixed, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix flashlight is not working on iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.